Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the mesh depth material in ThreeJS. So let's get started. So firstly I will show you the output. So this is the output of mesh depth material. Now I have purposefully kept the background color as pink. Like if I don't provide any color, these objects are very difficult to view. Like these are very difficult to be seen. They are present, but they are very difficult to be you can't really see them even though they are present. That's why I've changed the background color. I've created one simple project using Vite. So I have just created npm create Vite @latest, and I have used the HTML CSS TypeScript template, keeping things simple. Now if you see my package.json, I have added two dependency. One is the ThreeJS dependency over here, and the second one is @type/3. So this is for TypeScript, this is for ThreeJS. Then if you see index.html, I have created one canvas. I have added the ID for our canvas. Then here I have applied some CSS styling. Position of fixed, top of 0, left of 0, and outline is none. And here we are referencing our TypeScript file which I have created. So if you see over here, so these are all the imports. If you want, you can just copy paste it. Then here we are getting a hold of our canvas first. Then we are creating this mesh depth material. Here I have created one scene and assigned some background color to it. Then here we are creating our sphere. So here I have created three mesh like sphere, plane, and torus, and I have added them to our scene. Then I have created one ambient light as well as point light, and I have set the position for our point light and added both of them to our scene as well. Then we are getting the width and height of our screen. I have defined one perspective camera as well. I have added that camera to our scene. Then I have created one orbit controls, and I have enabled the damping equal to true. Then I have created one WebGL renderer. So I have set the size of size.width as well as size.height. Then on click of resize, we are just resizing that particular if you resize your window, then the camera as well as the renderer should get resized. So that's what is the logic for this. On double click, we are going into full screen mode as well as exiting full screen. And here we are just creating one clock, so just to animate those sphere, plane, and torus, as you can see over here. That's how I'm animating it. And here I'm just doing controls.update. Then I'm just doing renderer.render and windows.request animation frame. And here I'm just calling tick function. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can use this mesh depth material. Thank you for watching. Bye.